Alright guys, welcome back to Second and Nine, and where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo! What I see. You see me? So we're out here, we just left not too long ago. I had a shower by the yacht club, which was dope. You see me? So I'm fresh out I see right now. What we are trying to catch today?
I'm gonna do some deep drop like queen snappers and stuff like that. We are trying to catch today and marlin. Yeah man, some marlin and white.
Yeah, so you guys saw last night, Raj speared a tarpon, which was pretty cool. So we're going some deep dropping today to catch some, snap and all that. And it's gonna be a whole vibe, yo. If you like adventures like these and you want to see more stuff like that, drop a like on the video, drop a comment on what you want to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Catching party color. Kingfish. Wow. Barracuda.
Anything bite. Yeah.
You remind him of like a squid?
Yeah.
Mad. David.
Yes, sir.
I have a question, man.
Tell me.
How often you guys come out and do this?
Why, every weekend.
Every weekend?
Every weekend.
Wow.
Every weekend, man. This is what we do, man. It's a part of us. We just work Monday to Friday, and then weekends we're here.
So what do you do with the fish then? When I sell them back or
No man, we eat them and cut them up between friends and share them up and stuff.
Alright, so what vibe?
Yeah man. So later, when we get some stuff, hopefully we can do a nice catch, clean and cook later. And you're gonna be the chef.
Alright.
Right now, we're coming off of the edge now, so we're sloping right off to over 1,000 feet. You can look how close you are, so you see that? The whole of the sea land is now you're about a mile offshore right now. See, the captain has slowed down the boat, so we're gradually going off of the edge now. So we're gonna start setting on the deep lines to get some of the queen snapper and the nice snowy groupers and stuff like that.
Is that what we ate last night?
Yeah.
Yo, it was big up to the chef last night. The dish was really good.
Alright. We'll get some more right now.
So, what kind of fishes you have cut up right now?
Tuna.
Tuna.
Striped tuna, yeah.
So we have tuna in the Jamaican waters, yeah?
Yeah man, that's striped. I striped one this.
Striped one.
Yeah, some people call it skipjack.
Skipjack.
Yeah.
Alright, for those persons who always want to know what kind of fish is in the Jamaican waters.
Some people call it bonita.
Bonita, is in a striped tuna. Some persons call it skipjack. So basically I'm gonna cut up the bay right now to do some drops. Can you imagine such nice tuna being cut up? Oh my gosh.
What? No man, I'm on a team man, him drop off a lead.
Drop off the coffee. So when time already I give me just check back on.
Good son, good. I'm going down like I'm crazy.
So how deep this drop actually going?
We're going now 1,100 feet, 1,150 feet of water, almost 12. Yeah.
Wow.
See how we...
It's a counter.
Yeah.
Guys, this is freaking amazing, having this opportunity to actually be out here. Yeah, yo, check out his Instagram channel.
Marlin Madness.
So check out your Instagram page. What is it?
Marlin Madness.
Marlin Madness. Spell it out, cause some people are gonna tell us that
MARLINMADNESS.
Straight up. Is there a website, anything else you want? Just like drop.
Well, same website. It's marlinmadness.com. is the same website what we have on there.
And that's where you can do the whole charters and anything like that.
Bookings and stuff like that.
Yo, brother, mother for yourself.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, out here is sick. I'm gonna try to take you guys up top to for the captain there, just so you can see. Is it, brother? Oh, hot. So basically, so we just got caught, yes? What is it doing? Running or something?
Yeah, wheel up the line.
Oh, you're wheeling up the line? see that? No hard work, electric wheel. Alright, it's gonna be crazy. So it's about like 40 minutes, 40 meters, sorry, coming up. Let's see what we got. What is it? 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 Hey! Snappers! Snappers!
Grab him.
What him China man?
Get out!
God, man!
These are deep water snappers.
Deep water snappers.
So the reason why you guys are probably wondering why his eyes are plopped out of his head like that is because he's coming up from over 1,000 feet of water. So you know he has to go through over 3 different atmospheres to reach to the surface. So this is his bladder right here. You see that coming out?
Yeah.
That's his bladder swell up. And if you look at his scales, it's almost like his compression, right, has squeezed them in.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's what's happening to him. That's why he's looking like this. The queen snapper, which is the other pinker one, they can more have the depth coming up. They can handle it.
Yeah.
This one here, they can't handle the depth coming up at that speed.
Wow.
So that's why it's looking like this, guys. So this is a nice cardinal snapper.
Alright, that line I pull up on one get caught, so it's a whole vibe, man. It's a vibe. Yeah.
Scale.
Yeah, the depth and everything.
Yeah, man, ready, you know, brother.
What I say? You all go with it today.
I started talking to station vibe. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. Everybody out here.
Yo, man, feel like a kid. You know, say something big or forward up right now. Problem.
You must come on 20-minute video.
Something coming up. Let's see. So wildlife say,
yeah,
hey my go, dirty up Raj.
Raj, get the work. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So what the challenge? You know?
Alright, so who can carry the most fish? Like, how much hooks up on the line? About 5 hooked up on the line. So I said, who can carry up the most fish? I tell you. Alright, if 5 hook them, I come up with fish. Brother. Me.
So here's the thing. You see, if wildlife win, drop a like on the video cause him win, you see me? And if Raj win, drop 2 likes. I don't know how you're going to do it. So the man come and relax and crack a beer. The infamous red stripe. Up.
Let's see time. Alright guys,
let us see what he brought in. Got the boss drink of beer. Was that beer worthy?
Yo!
No talk! What you mean? Boss, I make you know, say you drop it. Yeah. No laugh with it.
Get it?
Yeah.
Jeez, what?
Alright guys, so right now we're ready for the challenge. Jamaica wildlife over this, so. Big gun! You hear me? Heard the video, so yo, drop a comment in the live
Even
right
you can't
now.
believe, yo, you see, step out, move out, just
Who
teach
you
me to
think
catch.
will catch the first fish?
Alright,
Everyone just say no, man, what does so?
So the man them see some birds out there. And what the bird them signify?
Tuna or dolphin, my. So we're gonna take a run out there and see what's happening.
So what is it that the birds them going after?
They're going after the bait, what the fish are bringing to the surface.
Oh.
So like the flying fish, when the flying fish fly into the water, the birds follow them to grab them, and then the dolphin look for their shadow, and then they grab them. So the two of them are working together.
Symbiosis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I see the bird now. Yeah. So for the expert fisherman, you probably already know this, but for the novices like myself, basically what they're doing right now is just trolling. Trolling is basically the art form of, you know, throwing bait at the back of the boat and then just moving. The boat is moving pretty fast right now. You might believe like, yo, it's too fast for the fish, but these fish can actually move really quick.
Up to 60 miles an hour.
Up to 60 freaking miles per hour.
That's right. Sailfish is the fastest pelagic fish in the water, and they can move up to speeds of 60 miles an hour in the water. So that's why we throw that this is nothing for them to catch. This is butter.
Explain that big word, pelagic.
Pelagic is offshore, big game fish.
Okay.
Right? Like you have the reef fish like the snapper and stuff. Anything offshore where we're catching on surface feeders like dolphin, which we call dorado, mahi-mahi, the blue marlin, sailfish, spearfish, white marlin, they're all known as pelagic.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. Big game, you know?
Cool. Alright guys, so basically everybody's getting super excited to go for this dive. For me, yeah, I'm a big skeptic because it's my first time ever going out into open water, but yo, you have to just dive in. There might be possibilities of sharks because they are in the waters out here, but whatever, we're just gonna go out and do it. I'm just gonna end this video right here, so the next time you're gonna see me, it's gonna be hopefully in the water, and I'll come back safe, and then we're gonna do a whole catch and cook, or maybe, you know, something else on the boat. I don't even know where we're at right now, but anyway, remember these three things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, yo, keep me in your prayers, drop it in the comments, yo, because if you don't, I might not be in the next video. Remember three things. Key the link.